Minnesota. Oh yeah, 130-mile-an-hour winds. That's a bad hurricane. Wow. How's the surge doing? I was over here.
Yeah, it started to come up even more when you left.
Oh yeah.
Like where you had pointed out, we kept backing up and it kept following us.
Oh
literally.
wow.
So I bet by now it's probably up to the edge of the jetty. Like literally
wow.
at the beginning it was up the jetty.
What I'm gonna do is after this there's one more. It looks like on radar there's like one more squall coming through.
Yeah, I saw that.
And then we get like a little bit of a break. After that, I'm gonna go do a surge inspection.
Yeah, actually, it looks like we might be in a bit of a lull here for a little bit.
Oh.
Yeah,
looks like swinging in.
Actually, for a good while. I'm watching this one here because those are the ones that are offshore. That's going to be coming down. And as this is intensifying, that means those winds are going to be even stronger. I was just listening to the radio. They said our strongest winds are yet to come. It's going to be between 1 and 5.
Oh yeah, that's when the surge is coming in.
That's
high tide, 3:30 a.m.
Yeah. I wish I could stay, but because of my brother's situation, he's got to be home by 2 o'clock.
Hey man, it was good seeing you.
Dude, I mean, this is awesome. This is fun.
Hey, we can chase regular storms too. It doesn't have to be a hurricane.
Yeah,
it could be
of course.
Heck, we can chase a snowstorm one day. You know, drive up to Minnesota or something, Wisconsin or something.
Yeah, go up.
Wow, look at this. This is wild.
Definitely, man.
Hey man, just drive really safe. You know, watch out for those down power lines and trees.
Yeah,
the trees are not so bad. The power lines, I would actually have your high beams on every time you approach an intersection just to make sure there's no lines down.
I'm gonna take the interstate. That's usually pretty.
Oh yeah, you don't have to worry about power lines on there.
Yeah,
but watch for like sudden gusts.
The exit I usually take is the Roosevelt exit.
Oh yeah.
There's a shit ton of construction there, and then the roads are bad as it is.
I bet all the construction signs are like all over the.
Easily. When we were coming up this way, they took out all the the bobs.
That was a smart move. Yeah. Wow, look at this wind, bro. Wow. This is comparable to Irma. This is what Irma was like.
Like what Irma was like.
Except Irma, the wind was out of the northeast instead of the southeast. So Irma, as you know, emptied the bay. This is filling the bay. You know, if you have a Cat 4 100 miles west of Tampa, that's a major surge for Tampa Bay. Even, you know, it doesn't even have to be over Tampa Bay for you to get a very damaging surge in the bay. And that's just the unfortunate thing about the shallow nature of these bays and inlets and the geography and whatnot. This is just
not to mention, we're also at sea level already as it is.
Oh yeah.
So we're not, we're not elevated enough to where we need more wind-driven surge to push that water. Right?
Yeah,
that's the thing. But we've seen.
I remember her mine. That was 200 miles offshore. We had a 5-foot surge.
We had a surge that came up from that. I mean, let's face it. Bayshore Boulevard. It doesn't take much to flood Bayshore Boulevard.
I bet Bayshore's looking like.
Oh, it's probably flooded by now. It's
oh yeah.
I mean, it probably flooded hours ago.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't take much for this. Water's gonna come up here. I know.
Very quickly. It's actually good that you're getting to higher ground in Largo.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to bounce too. As soon as the surge, as soon as it starts to come on this road, I'm gonna bounce.
Oh yeah.
Inland.
It'll be hard for you to get out of here.
Yeah, the water will kill you, if you're not careful.
Yeah.
All right, brother. So good seeing you, man. Thanks for chasing. We're gonna chase. We'll chase again. We'll
chase some more, man. Shoot, do we still have the other half of the season to go?
All right, man. Get away from that surge and get home safe, bro.
Yeah, definitely. All right, man.
There's a transformer that went. There was a flash. It was blue.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it was blue-white. So that was a transformer, not lightning.
Okay. Yeah, you can tell.
Yeah.
I see green before. So far, I think my folks at home, my sister, my brother, they've been texting each other and that always goes
Oh,
out.
good. You haven't lost power. That's
yeah,
really
we
good.
haven't lost power, no.
It looks like all of these buildings around here, not a single lighted window. I mean, the emergency lights at the bottom are on, but that's
Yeah,
it.
so I
Like,
wonder-
look at all these buildings. They've got not a single lighted room in them.
Yeah,
in any of these.
Yeah, I don't know if that person's got like a candle on or.
Yeah, that might be. They have people have their own like.
But then again,
built-in-
they have their blue lights on, so.
Yeah, that.
For all you know, people just decided, hey man, you know what? I'm going to sleep.
Yeah, that's also very plausible.
Yeah, but we know that this area, these condos probably are an elderly population too.
Oh yeah.
So you said you live, or your dad, or you live at home?
Yeah, we live with the whole family. We live about like 5-10 minute drive from here.
Okay.
Up on 1st and 47th. So you just literally just hop on 1st Street and go up to 47th, and that's us.
Okay.
But I bet 1st and 47th is underwater right now. Yeah, that area that floods in a rainstorm. So yeah, that's under some water. And Coffee Pot, I bet, is really under some water. All right, brother. Good seeing you. I'm gonna go do that title inspection shortly. But yeah.
Yeah, if you ever want to just like hang out, even like
Yeah,
just
totally
not even, you
down.
don't have to school chasing, obviously. Like I know you go to the gym. And I've been
Yeah,
trying,
we can do that.
And I've been trying to go
Look
this
at
whole
these
summer.
wheels.
I was trying to go, but I got the job at Largo Middle, and I took that offer, and I've been in training since July, man.
Wow, that's really good, man. That's really good.
Right,
It's epic, bro.
It's going fantastic. I'm learning a lot as being at a new school, and staff is great there.
Yeah, teaching is a beautiful thing.
Oh, it's a work of art,
I suspect with the cleanup that they're going to do after the debris and stuff, probably Wednesday and Thursday you'll have off from school too.
Yeah.
Because I remember after Francis and Jean, there were 2 days that it took the county to clean everything up.
Today and tomorrow, well, of course Wednesday, we'll be off tomorrow. I don't know if we'll also.
Now we're Wednesday because we're past midnight, so we're pretty much in Wednesday.
Yeah, so we'll see with this, because they're saying the winds are really going to increase here on out. Like, wow.
Oh yeah.
That particular palm tree literally looks like it's about to snap.
Oh yeah. Yeah, 3 of them snapped during Irma 6 years ago.
Yeah. And that's crazy. Palm trees are usually pretty flexible with
Oh, yeah.
but the fact that they snap, that means that's really strong winds.
You can hear some of that wind. Wow. Oh. I mean, the wind literally sounds like a waterfall.
Yeah.
It sounds like a waterfall.
If you hear that like roaring noise, like that, the sound of a freight train,
Yeah.
then know that there's probably a tornado wrapped in.
Oh,
that
yeah.
is.
I'm sure we've had several mesovortices.
Oh, I think we have.
You saw how the wind bursted? That was that was a mini tornado.
The rain, and it's great wrapped because when you get the rain, you're not hearing it as much, but it's loud. And that last band that came through, dude, it stung like face. I was like, oh my god, this feels like.
Yeah, that's like
big,
needles, bro. It's like freaking needles and stuff.
All right, yeah. Let me get him home, and you get home safe too.
Yeah, drive safe. Just shoot me a message that you got home okay when you do.
Yeah, I will.
Just
I
so
will
I know you're alive.
And I'll send you all the pictures and stuff we took.
Heck yeah.
Video.
I'll be here till about 3:30, so another 3 hours, and then I'm gonna head. Then I'll go get some shut eye.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna go. Maybe take some pictures, videos of my street, see what's looking like there too. We get some pretty good gusts over by mine.
You're more elevated, so you're gonna see bigger gusts.
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
too.
And we're about 5 miles from the beach.
Oh yeah, you're gonna see. Right now the winds are still out of the south and southeast, but when you get to Largo, by the time you get to Largo, they're gonna be coming out of the southwest. So you're gonna be really getting it right off the water.
Oh yeah.
So you're gonna see stronger winds than I'm seeing here at your next location. So wow, this is wild. All right, brother, take care.
All right, man. Yeah, you too.
All right, man. It's so good seeing you.
Great seeing you. Great meeting up with you for this hurricane that I.
Oh yeah.
I know we mentioned it, like we talked about it, and I'm glad we got a chance to chase and me.
And I don't mean to rush you, but actually I would say this: I don't want you to get trapped by the surge on these smaller streets.
Yeah.
So I would go ASAP. That's why. Otherwise, I'd continue to talk, but I don't want you to get, because sometimes when these streets start to flood, you can't get out.
Okay,
so yeah, I don't want you to be screwed.
Yeah. Plus I'm running on like 7% battery.
Oh yeah.
My brother has his phone, but I know how to get out of here because I just like.
Oh yeah. All right, brother. Be safe. Be safe.
Yeah. Keep in touch. I'll let
For sure. Thank you, bro.